In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove our Doonails gel strips. For removal, you need our Doonails remover oil, the 2-in-1 file and buffer, and a wooden stick. And it's as simple as this. First, gently file a nail tip with the file. Next, apply some Doonails remover oil to the nail edges and massage it in well. Using the wooden stick, gently loosen the gel strips at the edges. In our Doonails remover bowl, or optionally another bowl, we'll add warm water, 1 to 2 pipettes of remover oil, and 2 pumps of hand soap. Now, immerse your hand into the oil bath. You can also cover it with a small towel and set it aside. After about 5 minutes, you can remove your hand from the oil bath. Try to gently loosen the gel strips with a wooden stick so that the oil can optimally penetrate under the gel strips. After another 5 minutes or so, you can remove your hand from the oil bath and completely remove the gel strips from your nails with the help of the wooden stick. Any adhesive residue can then be easily removed with a cotton pad and some Doonails remover liquid using circular motions. Any remaining residue can also be gently removed with the buffer. Lastly, proper nail care is essential. Apply some nail oil and massage it in carefully. That's it. That's how easy it is to remove our Doonails gel strips.